Obviously with a Mike Menser, it's one set, but you got to get an old man to get warmed up. When you're 68 years old, you got everything wrong and a half a dozen orthopedic surgeries. The first thing you got to do is get your old ass warmed up. Let's not forget the big pump, still here. Mr. Menser would always say that you should start with this Nautilus shoulder press, but he also said I should start with the Smithy, so I did. But we're going to finish with the shoulder press, then move on to some dumbbells. So love the HIT, but glad I only got to do one set. We got to work shoulders, but we don't want to do a lot of reps and sets. We just want to do a few, maybe 1-2 sets. I do the HIT, the high intensity. That Mike Menser is my idol. I love that guy. So I've been growing with it, so I don't want to stop doing it now. So we're going to get a little warm up in a couple sets with this great Smithy machine here that's got a nice angle at it. Keeps us from hurting our back and shoulders when we come down tight. Spokane Fitness, brand new equipment, all legs and better bodies equipment. The latest, greatest stuff that there is, man. It's actual just heavy tonnage and grab your ass. That's what it's all about anyway. Making it work. It's gotta be intense. If it doesn't hurt, you ain't growing. Without the pain. Don't you remember what Arnold said? No pain, no gain. Hello, Pacemaker world. How you doing? I just want to thank everybody for subscribing and following us and just having a good time with us. Really appreciate that. That's the biggest part of this whole program, is just reaching people and having people talk and bringing back just good news of how that they've been influenced to go work out. And it's just because you have a pacemaker doesn't mean your world ends. It just begins. You just don't realize it has setbacks, and that's all a pacemaker is. But you're alive and kicking, so get out there and work. Stay hard.